I want to quickly talk to you about Prestashop versus Squarespace. Which platform should you really choose this year? Let me first talk to you about the platform that's best for e-commerce. If you're looking for e-commerce functionality, which platform should you go for? Well, basically, Squarespace actually seems to be a better choice. If you are looking for e-commerce functionality, then Prestashop, okay? Because Squarespace gives you the ability to create professional and visually appealing informational websites. Okay, so that's kind of cool. And I love the fact that you have a user-friendly interface, you have extensive template library, and you have robust design functionalities. Okay, so if you are trying to go online real fast, Squarespace actually is the best player you want to really hop on. What about best for information and business websites? Well, here also, Squarespace seems to be the winner when it comes to information and business websites. So if you are thinking about an information and business website, you want to choose Squarespace this year, not only in terms of its functionality, but also in terms of all the capabilities behind like the back office. Okay, that's important. I mean, PrestaShop is actually don't get me wrong though. PrestaShop is designed with e-commerce in mind. You can have a lot of compelling informational and business websites on PrestaShop, but PrestaShop actually has a pretty niche orientation, if you will. Okay, so that's important, and especially if you're looking for SEO optimization tools, you're looking for customizable themes, you're looking for let's say a flexibility in terms of user experience. Basically, Squareshop is way better. What about design functionalities and templates? Well, here I want to say that basically PrestaShop it's pretty much also a Squarespace win here. Okay, PrestaShop is known for its flexibility and customization options. So if you're looking for a website on which you can have greater control, greater flexibility, go with PrestaShop. However, Squarespace rather, is known for its sleek and user-friendly templates, and they've been known for that since day one. I mean, Squarespace came on the market in 2004, so it's been more than 20 years. They've been at it with sleek and user-friendly templates. So if you want to prioritize ease of use, you definitely want to go with Squarespace. No problem. Let me talk to you about ease of use. So if you think about Squarespace versus PrestaShop, ease of use, which one should you go for? Okay. Now, basically, Squarespace appears to be the better option when it comes to ease of use compared to PrestaShop because the Squarespace is user friendly. It has a user friendly interface and intuitive navigation system that makes it a more efficient and user friendly platform when it comes to let's say website creation. Okay, so that's kind of cool. And but one thing I want to say here is that what about wholesale e-commerce? If you want to use which one should you go for if you're looking for wholesale e-commerce? The last time I was talking to you about e-commerce simply, but here I want to focus on wholesale e-commerce. So basically, PrestaShop, and that's a biggie. PrestaShop seems to be the better choice when it comes to a wholesale e-commerce because it has extensive customization options. It has a vast array of modules and integrations, strong community support, as well as scalability. So if you think about wholesale e-commerce, PrestaShop is going to help you big time. So this is really good. Squarespace is great. Squarespace is a comprehensive e-commerce solution, but when it comes to a wholesale e-commerce, it's not really where it should be at yet. Okay, of course, with Squarespace, you can take advantage of secure payment processing and SEO optimization, but it's not going to get to the level that you really need when it comes to a wholesale e-commerce. Okay, so this is an important element to think about. I mean, what one thing you will love with Squarespace for sure is the fact that you have an intuitive interface, but that's not enough when it comes to a wholesale e-commerce. What about e-commerce themes and templates? Well, PrestaShop offers a wide set of e-commerce themes and templates designed to boost online shopping experiences across various sectors. Now, these templates include features like dynamic product displays, customizable layouts, and advanced search capabilities. So, while PrestaShop themes are designed for visual appeal and functionality, additional performance tuning actually may be necessary to ensure fast loading times and smooth user interactions. What about Squarespace? Well, Squarespace actually provides a variety of around 50 to 75 e commerce templates designed for industries like fashion, beauty, home goods, technology, photography. Okay. And these templates, and that's a good thing I want you to really remember, these templates range from clean and minimalist to bold and colorful, catering to a diverse brand aesthetics, okay, and product types. So it really depends on what you're trying to convey. And they also include unique layout features such as product sliders and featured collections to enhance visual appeal and also user engagement. So when we think about Squarespace versus PrestaShop, what should you say about product page customization? Well, basically, PrestaShop supports a diverse range of products, including digital goods like music, videos, ebooks, and software, as well as physical products and print-on-demand merchandise such as T-shirts and mugs. Okay, and the platform also enables the sale of subscription for recurring revenue and provides tools for product protection and piracy prevention. So, and this ensures secure file hosting and delivery. What about Squarespace? Well, Squarespace actually provides flexible options for layout, design, and interactive elements on product pages. And as a user, you can select from templates and customize colors, fonts, and content. And this is really good. And engagement also is boosted with features such as customizable buttons, wish lists, product comparisons, reviews, and related products. Okay. And also, if you want to really go a little further, you have advanced customization includes custom code injection and third-party app integrations. What about payment processing? Well, PrestaShop integrates with leading payment gateways like Stripe and PayPal. So you are enabled as a user, you can accept various payments, including credit card transactions, okay, directly from your website. What about Squarespace? Well, Squarespace does the same thing. So you have a flexible payment through integrated gateways such as Stripe and PayPal. So here, in this case, you have more of a tie. Okay, there's no clear winner. What about website editor? So both companies, PrestaShop and Squarespace, offer powerful website editors with excellent features and user-friendly interfaces. So if you're looking for an e-commerce focused platform with advanced product management and detailed analytics, PrestaShop may be the better choice for you. On the other hand, if you prioritize ease of use, visually appealing templates, and mobile responsiveness, Squarespace will be a great option for you, especially when it comes to creating a professional website without coding. Okay, so ultimately, the best company for website editors depends on your specific needs and preferences. What about mobile editor or app? Well, Squarespace is better for mobile editing capabilities compared to PrestaShop because it offers a wide range of website editing features and functionality through its mobile app. So this is really fantastic. So if you think about Squarespace versus PrestaShop, what about the product testing options? Well, PrestaShop seems to offer more robust product testing options, including A/B testing, usability testing, and performance testing. Okay, so PrestaShop, in our view, may be a better option for product testing compared to Squarespace. What about price? Let's talk about that. Well, Squarespace is likely the better option for price because the company offers more affordable pricing compared to PrestaShop, which really involves additional costs for hosting, modules, and themes. So I'm showing you on the screen here. Here is a pricing for a Squarespace as of the date of this show. So this is important. Now, PrestaShop is not as transparent when it comes to pricing, though this is another bummer. What about hosting quality? So basically, PrestaShop seems to have a stronger hosting quality with reliable uptime, scalability, and security features. However, and this is a big however that I want you to really remember, Squarespace also offers a solid hosting option with the 99.9% uptime guarantee and a global presence. That's the cool thing. I mean, Squarespace has a global audience. Okay, so ultimately, the choice between the two will depend on specific needs and preferences, especially if you're trying to really scale real fast. Okay, and this is one thing that I need to mention here. Squarespace provides proprietary cloud-based hosting with a 99.9% uptime guarantee, as well as data centers located across North America, Europe, and Asia. So, if you want to have your hosting done in those geographies, then you'll be more attracted to Squarespace versus PrestaShop. Okay, that's really something to really think about this year. What about website speed optimization? So basically, Squarespace offers actually a more comprehensive approach when it comes to website speed optimization compared to PrestaShop. Squarespace's detailed performance information, responsive design, image optimization, CDN usage, code minification, and focus on core web vitals demonstrate a strong commitment to improving website speed if you really think about it. So, bottom line is if your goal is to really focus on website speed optimization, go with Squarespace. I mean, you don't have that level of details with PrestaShop. Okay. What about plugins and integrations? Well, PrestaShop appears to have a more extensive selection of plugins, extensions, and integrations that enhance e-commerce capabilities. So this makes it a better option for plugins. Okay. I mean, Squarespace does support integrations through a custom code injection and third-party tools covering email marketing, MailChimp, SEO optimization, Yoast SEO, and Rank Math, user behavior analytics, Hotjar, and payment options, Stripe, PayPal, ShipStation, and Afterpay. Meanwhile, you have to understand that what you have with PrestaShop is definitely way bigger and way better. What about marketing features? Well, basically, Squarespace appears to have a more comprehensive range of marketing tools compared to PrestaShop. So, if you are looking for robust marketing features, go with Squarespace. Okay. With Squarespace, you do have a broader range of marketing tools, including SEO, email marketing, blogging, and detailed analytics. So this really makes the whole process a more this makes Squarespace a more comprehensive solution when it comes to marketing. Okay, you have let me give you an example. You have built-in analytics and third-party integrations. Okay, and this is kind of cool. What about customer support? If you think about Squarespace versus PrestaShop, what can you say about customer support? Well, basically, Squarespace appears to have a better customer support, okay, compared to PrestaShop because you have live chat, you have email, you have a community forum, and you have a comprehensive help center available 24/7. So Squarespace's customer support seems to be more robust, okay, and accessible. That's really good. By the way, and I need to insist on that. With Squarespace, you don't have a phone to actually, you don't have to the possibility to talk to someone over the phone. There's no phone support. Okay, just get that. Um, I mean, PrestaShop has its own series of customer support options. Okay, but Squarespace is better. What about security? Well, Squarespace has a more comprehensive and robust website security set of measures compared to PrestaShop. Okay, I mean Squarespace's security features cover a wide range of aspects, including secure server storage, encryption, access controls, that's really good. Compliance with regulations, vulnerability scanning, and malware detection. Okay, therefore, Squarespace may be considered the better option when it comes to website security. That's really good. And what about AI capabilities? I mean, in this economy, artificial intelligence is becoming so important. So basically, Squarespace offers a more comprehensive range of AI capabilities for e commerce and content creation compared to Prestashop. Okay, so go with Squarespace. If AI capabilities are what you care about this year when it comes to e-commerce, okay. So, for instance, Squarespace's AI enhances your e-commerce and content creation, generating product descriptions, website copy, blog posts, social media captions, and email marketing content. It also offers different tones and styles, supports actually content creation or, content creation, expansion, or simplification. It includes also a grammar and spell checks for accuracy. So that's really good. What about user management? If you are comparing a contrast in Squarespace and PrestaShop, well, PrestaShop actually stands out with its advanced, let's say, customization options and detailed control over user access and collaboration. So while Squarespace also offers user access levels and permissions, PrestaShop's more extensive user management system makes it a stronger choice for you if you need a sophisticated set of access controls or even collaboration tools. Okay, so PrestaShop is definitely the better option for user management this year. So basically, what I'm trying to say here is that PrestaShop distinguishes distinguishes itself with its advanced user management system. So you're able to have detailed control over user access and collaboration. Okay, this is really good. What about user feedback? Well, basically, if you go online, the user feedback is more in favor of Squarespace. There are more people vouching for Squarespace as opposed to a PrestaShop, and that's partially because Squarespace has been around for so long. Actually, okay, like I said, since 2014. I mean, 2004. That's more than 20 years. So that's really important to think about. So overall, if you think about Squarespace versus PrestaShop, what should you go for? Well, Squarespace is better suited for creating a professional website. Thanks to its comprehensive features, you have a sleek design template, so that's really good. You also have robust e-commerce solutions. Okay, so this makes it ideal for businesses, creatives, and individuals seeking an all-in-one platform. And so, if you're looking for PrestaShop, you have a different, I would say, structure. Okay, of course, you have a solid e-commerce functionality, but you don't have scalable e-commerce functionality. So, in conclusion to this conversation, I did a quick compare and contrast between Squarespace and PrestaShop. So, I went through several features or functionalities, and thank you so much. I really appreciate your help, your attention today. God bless you. I will see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.